Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at the Reports Snapshot and how you can use it to quickly understand how an individual Simplebooklet is performing. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to find the Simplebooklet that we want to review and click Reports. As you can see here, the snapshot opens by default and gives you an overview of that booklet's performance across the 4 stages of the audience journey. You can use the date range selection up here in the top right to choose the period you want to analyze. And so everything on your snapshot will update to reflect that time period. As you can see, we have the 4 different cards here. So we have awareness, which shows you how many people are finding and opening your booklet. We have the attention card, which shows you how deeply those readers are engaging with your content, showing you the amount of pages flipped as well as interactive clicks. We have our action card here, which tracks whether readers are clicking your calls to action. And then our satisfaction card here, which shows return visits and the savings you generated by sharing digitally. And then below your snapshot, you'll find even more ways to work with your performance data. You can generate an AI insight report, which we have covered in a separate tutorial. You can also download your performance data file to analyze with your own AI assistant or access your previously generated reports. But together, the snapshot gives you a quick starting point for understanding what's happening with an individual booklet and where you may want to dig deeper. And that's it for this video. Make sure to check out our other tutorials on more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.